हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल में। वेलकम टू द प्रॉफिट विद यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज देखते हैं कि निफ्टी मंडे से क्या टर्न लेती है। वैसे तो मैं मेरा वीडियो आप देखते होंगे तो मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि निफ्टी फ्राइडे और मंडे को बुलिश रहेगी। ओके। सो मंडे जो कमिंग मंडे है, कल का जो मंडे है, कल भी निफ्टी कम से कम 100 पॉइंट्स, तो 100 प्लस पॉइंट्स तो आने ही वाला है। सो ये ऐसा नहीं कि मैं आज बोल रहा हूँ, ये निफ्टी आप मेरे चैनल पे पोस्ट यदि आप देखते होंगे, मैं 2 जून का जो वीडियो है उसमें भी चैनल में मैंने पोस्ट किया था। फ्राइडे 11 से बुल डे यू कैन बी सीन। You have not seen if this channel video or something, actually I always used to tell all these things। मतलब निफ्टी कब बुलिश रहेगी कब नहीं रहेगी, डाटा देखने की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है। विदाउट डाटा ऑल्सो आई कैन टेल व्हेन निफ्टी कैन बी बुलिश एंड व्हेन इट कैन बी बेरिश। तो मैंने क्या बोला था कि ट्यूसडे से थर्सडे निफ्टी में थोड़ा सेलिंग प्रेशर बनी रहेगी। ओके। ट्यूसडे टू थर्सडे सेलिंग प्रेशर बनी रहेगी, क्योंकि अब यदि आप ये देखोगे तो ये भी मैंने, ये जो है आपको ये भी मैंने काउंट दिया था। सो ये सॉरी, सो ये जीरो, ये आपका ये जो चैनल है, ये जो है, दिस इज एक्चुअली टू। ओके। दिस इज, सॉरी, लेट मी रब इट। ओके। सो ये जो है, ये यहाँ पर वन, ये टू, एंड हम लोग का थ्री चल रही है। ओके। दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड थ्री वेव इज नॉट येट completed, दिस वेव इज नॉट येट completed। ओके। सो अभी तो अभी देखते हैं, अभी काउंट फिर से लेते हैं, देन विल कम टू नो। सो नाउ what I am telling is that our third wave is not yet completed, because our third can be easily extendable according to the fifth of the inner wave, fifth of the inner wave। So यहाँ देखा जाए तो टू एंड थर्ड इज गोइंग ऑन फोर्थ देन फिफ्थ। मुझे लग रही है कि अभी क्या ना, नेक्स्ट वीक से थोड़ा मार्केट कंसोलिडेशन भी बहुत करेगी। मतलब पूरा पूरा जून मंथ मुझे लग रहा है कंसोलिडेशन होगी। सो एनी हाउ वी कैन रीच टुवर्ड 16,300 मेरा टारगेट है अभी। 16,300 is my target, where this third move will complete, most probably। Okay, most probably this third move will complete and will heading towards the fifth move। So my target is now has been raised actually to 16,300। earlier it was 1.68 to 1% of 15,851, but positionally if you see it has been raised to 16,300। सो मेरा व्यू ये है कि मार्केट अभी निफ्टी 16,300 तक जाएगी। ओके। आफ्टर दैट वी कैन सी सम कंसोलिडेशन। सो द मैजिक हियर इज दैट, so how we'll find the target? So here you see, when there is a extend inner wave आप जब देखते हो, inner wave वो यदि एक्सटेंड करती है, ओके, वो यदि एक्सटेंड करती है, एक्सटेंड कैसे करेगी, कैसे पता चलेगा? यदि ब्रेकआउट मारती है। ओके। यदि इफ यू सी दैट इफ इट इज गिविंग द ब्रेकआउट, which one is the inner wave? Inner wave is this one actually. See, this one here is completed, one two, here this one is completed। okay, now the wave which is going from here to here, okay, which is going from here to here, it is extending actually. If you see, this wave is extending and here it has given the breakout actually। And here if you see from here, this inner wave from here, 0 1 2, and this is 3 is completed over here, and this is 4। if you see from here to here, if you see, this is a 23.6% retracement, what I have told you earlier। so if you have seen, if you have not seen my video, you go and see the contents of the video, three last video if you see, then you can find it out। okay, you can find it out। सो यहाँ पर ये जो यहाँ से जो ये जो पोर्शन है, ये 23.6% है, और यहाँ से उसने क्या किया, निफ्टी सपोर्ट लिया। as soon as if it is taking the support, you should feel that। and मैंने भी बोला था कि निफ्टी का जो सेलिंग प्रेशर है ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे तक ही रहेगी, उसके बाद नहीं रहेगी। उसके बाद फ्राइडे से फिर से बुल मूव आएगी, और फ्राइडे और मंडे बुल रहेगी, फ्राइडे और मंडे इट विल बी बुल। So that is what I am now also I am telling. So it has been told by me in 1 week before. What I am telling now, it has been told by me 1 week before, and I have given you the clue and I have given you my hint that Nifty, if it could fall, this will be the one of the major support. This will be the one of the major support. After that, and 23.6%. This will come at 23.6%, and this is 38.2%. It is coming 38.2%. If you see from here to here, here to here, this is not any Fibonacci retracement. It is the Elliott wave which is aligned with the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so don't be only consider the Fibonacci retracement. If you don't count the wave properly and apply only Fibonacci retracement, it will not help you. Okay, it will not help. But if you count the Elliott wave, count with the Fibonacci retracement, then only it will help you. And Fibonacci retracement is the crux of the Elliott wave only. Okay, so now, so 23.6% retracement, here it is coming 38.2%. I told that if it is not taking support, if it is coming down, then this is one of the major support will be there. Okay, this is one of the major support will be there. So from here it will work. Now it will be go, and this one will be the fifth move of this wave, this inner wave, this is the inner wave, and this one will be the fifth move from here, to here. This one will be the fifth move where it is going to touch 16,300. 16,300 most probably will be the level. So you figure it out here. Actually, nothing is ideal in the market. As you know, nothing is ideal in the market, so we have to always keep the range. Okay, we have to always keep the range, and this range can be 16,200 to 16,300. So this range, from this range you will see a fourth move which will be little bit frustrating, and it will take some time, which will be sideways. And what I see is that after this week Thursday, after this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, anyway, what I am seeing is that Nifty is going to rise over here, but Nifty is going to rise over here. Tomorrow only it will not come 300 points, but Nifty is going to rise over here. But in coming days you will see some sideways momentum. Sideways momentum. ये वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है, ये आप देख लेना कि साइडवेज होगी कि नहीं होगी. ओके, so in coming week you will see some sideways momentum where this complete wave will complete this one. Okay, from here we started, okay. I'll give a, let me, okay, so I don't know, maybe, so sorry, it got refreshed, so the page got refreshed, so no problem. So we'll go again actually, so it is good. So what I was telling, this is 15-minute chart, this is 1 hour chart. So in 1 hour chart we will, okay, okay, so see, this is what I was telling is that from here to here, this portion is second wave, this portion is second wave, this portion is second wave. Okay, from here to here, this portion will be second wave. Okay, this portion will be second wave from here to here. Then from here, if you see, from here you take the count, and we will be in the third, means this wave will complete, this whole wave will complete, whole wave. Okay, and this one, 0, 0, 1, this is 2, this 3 is most probably might be completed, this is a question mark. Okay, never think that everything is completed without a correction. Nothing is going to complete. So but I am guessing that this is the third wave. From here to here, this is the third wave, this is the fourth, and we are going in a fifth move. Okay, and fifth move is 16,300. 16,300 to 200 we will keep the range, and from here to here, this inner wave when it will complete, this will that will be the third wave. Okay, that will be the third wave. So 16,300 to 200. What? Let me see this. Okay. So now let me mark it. Otherwise, there will be that 16,300, 16,300, and we will say 16,200. So here we need to be checked over here. 16,300 to 200. 16,300 to 200. Our this one should be checked once the Nifty will reach over there. Right. Once the Nifty reach over there, we will check 16,000 to 300, 16,300, 100 points gap. So this 100 point range we should check when the Nifty will reach over there. So Nifty will, when the Nifty will reach over there, from there we'll see. So from there also we'll count down. From there, if Nifty is reaching over there, and if it starts fall, then what will be the range? We'll keep 16,250. Okay, and 23.6% is coming the high of this candle, the day candle, 15,800. Okay, so if 15,850 or 851, whatever it is coming over here. Okay, so all right, so this one, if you see this, so what I am telling, if you go to daily time frame analysis, where you could see what is the doji over here, one doji has been formed over here. This doji is telling that Nifty is going to not going to give up. Okay, because this is in the third wave, and in the third wave you should be always, if there is a doji like this, you should always see that next day there will be a gap up. So if you see here, this one, we'll cancel this. Okay, so this one, what is the day candle, what is the high over here? This can be the one of the support, this can be the one of the support when Nifty will reach over here 16,300 or 200. Nifty when reach over here this June month. Okay, then we'll see that it can take a support over here. It fall, when it will be falling, when it will be sideways correction, we will see that a Nifty can, the first support will be our 15,835. Okay, 15,835 as per the price action. You should see it. This doji could be the one of the support, 15,835 to 800. Okay, this should be the 800, because 800 will be the logical point. No 100, 200, all these are logical points. So this could be the one of the support, where 15,835 to 800 will be the one of the major support you should follow when Nifty is going to take a turn from there. Okay, now this is a 23.6% retracement of this wave. Okay, so let's come to the hourly chart, because daily time frame is giving us the more larger range, and we are not in a mood to do the analysis right now. So here, so most probably this will be the support, what I told you, this is the support, right? And this will be, from here it will be turnaround. So what is the point over here it will reach now? So let's say if it is reaching minimal optimal point 16,250. 16,250, if it is reaching over here, from here to here, from 836 to 16,250. So that much point this we will be seeing in this week actually. This Monday to Thursday week we can see something actually. So 400 420 points, keep it 420 points. So 420 points, 400 points Nifty is having to give you right now. Keeping the stop loss over here 15,565, this one can be the stop loss. Either this one can be the stop loss or the 13 days moving average low. If one of the candle is closing, you can keep up the stop loss as a 13 days moving average low, and you can ride the trend. That is how I used to do, and you should follow that pattern. You will get a very good profit positionally. Okay, so Friday, as I told you, Friday was a bull day, and Monday will be same, and this week after that Tuesday, Wednesday, there is every dip is a buy. There is a dip, but there is a buying out is coming. So you should take your you should not take any short position now. As of now, you should not take any short position. There will be certainly a dip is there, but dip is getting buying out actually. So our range over here, Nifty has the most potential to go over here, because after this wave will complete, and this will be the third wave, and when the third wave is complete, after that a fourth, then it will go towards a fifth. So either this will be this will be here, or this can be truncate over here also, but truncate region will be 16,300 or 250. After that, if we see a fall also, that will be again, that will be second. Okay, if it will be second, then we can go to the third move. Okay. So that is the larger time frame, but still then we'll ride the trend. Let's see how far we can go, right? So this is my view on Nifty for coming week, Monday. I'll be posting the video for on Monday also, tomorrow, how the market is turning out. If it is according to my view or not, I am still on bullish side, and Nifty can go 100 plus point on Monday. So let's see tomorrow what is the, if you have taken the position, it is good. If you have not taken the position intraday also, you can take the position by keeping the stop loss over here. By keeping the stop loss at 13 days moving average low, you can take the position, and you can ride the trend for till end of the month. If Nifty is reaching there, then after the price reach there, then you should be cautious from there. You should be cautious. Then you're always the 13 days moving average low should be your stop loss now, because now nothing will happen. What will happen in the third move? It will never breach the 13 days moving average low. Only in the fourth move, only some we will see some whipsaws. Okay, but 13 डेज मूविंग, जब थर्ड मूव में आएगी मार्केट, कभी भी वो 13 डेज मूविंग एवरेज लो को ब्रीच नहीं करती है. थर्ड मूव में कभी भी ब्रीच नहीं करती है. फोर्थ मूव में ही सिर्फ व्हिपसॉस देती है, क्योंकि वो 23.6%, 38.2% आएगी, इसीलिए थोड़ा व्हिपसॉस मिलता है. और सेकंड मूव में भी मिलता है. सेकंड मूव, ये जो सेकंड मूव है, इसमें भी व्हिपसॉस आती है. ओके, बट इन द थर्ड मूव एंड फिफ्थ मूव यू विल नॉट सी एनी व्हिपसॉस. Seamlessly it will come 400 more points, it is going to come in the market. Okay, so right, कमिंग टू निफ्टी बैंक. निफ्टी बैंक एक बार देखते हैं. तो निफ्टी बैंक में कैसे है कि निफ्टी बैंक थोड़ा मजबूती नहीं दे रही है, जब देखो वीकनेस है. और मैंने ये भी मैं बार मैं बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि 2 जून को जो वीडियो बनाया था तब भी मैंने बोला था कि निफ्टी बैंक ये ट्रेंड लाइन तक आ सकती है. ओके, सो ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज़ दैट निफ्टी बैंक थोड़ा इतना मजबूत नहीं है. तो लेकिन अभी हम लोग क्या देखेंगे कि फ़िलहाल ये कल का यदि सपोर्ट ब्रेक करती है, तो फिर वो ये 34,375 तक आ सकती है. ओके, फिर ये जो कैंडल है यहाँ पर, ये इसका यदि सपोर्ट ब्रेक करती है तो प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ा. अगेन ये ट्रेंड लाइन तक आ सकती है. लेट मी शो यू। ओके, 36,640 का जो ये सपोर्ट है, यदि ब्रेक, क्योंकि ये फिर क्या होगा ना, रूल वायलेट हो जाएगी। once the rule will violate, then what will happen, it will, this second move will be invalidated, and there will be a zigzag correction. Okay, zigzag correction, which will become the second move, until unless the second, actually it will take very very long time actually to form. तो either what will be happening is that बैंक का हालत ख़राब है या कुछ है, तो इसीलिए किसी को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है बैंक में पैसा लगाने का। सो वो क्या होगी कि यहीं पर ये घूमते रहेगी अभी। ओके, दिस, ये सपोर्ट रहेगी और यहाँ पर थोड़ा घूमेगी। सो हम लोग ये देख सकते हैं कि इन कमिंग डेज, मेरा एज पर द एलियट थ्योरी, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग इज दैट this, still the second wave is not yet completed over here, because there is some movement over here, and this is the support. Now this should, after this, if this is the support for tomorrow, if it is taking a, if taking a breakout, okay, मतलब उस दिन भी मैंने यही बोला था कि यहाँ से यदि ब्रेकआउट देती है, ये जो पॉइंट्स है, ये दो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट है, यहाँ पे, यहाँ से यदि ब्रेकआउट देती है, 1 मिनट, तो यहाँ से यदि ब्रेकआउट देती है, यहाँ से ये जो पॉइंट है, ये कब दिख रहा है आपको, ये जो बना है यहाँ पे, यहाँ से यदि ब्रेकआउट मिलती है उसको, निफ्टी बैंक को यहाँ से यदि ब्रेकआउट मिलती है, 35,835 का जो पॉइंट है, यहाँ से यदि ब्रेकआउट मिल जाती है, तो ईजिली निफ्टी बैंक विल go towards our this one 38,272, where it will make a third wave. ओके, where it will make a third wave, because उसमें क्या होगा, ये जो चैनल लाइन है उसको ऊपर वो ब्रेकआउट मिल जाएगी उसको, सो ये कम्प्लीटली थर्ड वेव फॉर्म हो जाएगी। ओके, हमेशा जो भी थर्ड वेव रहता है चैनल लाइन के बाहर रहेगी, हमेशा थर्ड वेव चैनल लाइन के बाहर रहेगी, दैट विल बी कन्फर्म इट इज ए थर्ड वेव। Okay, once it will confirm it is a third wave, from there we can see that 38,270 will be from where it will fall. तो मुझे क्या लग रही है, ये सपोर्ट लेके अभी तो निफ्टी बैंक भागने वाली है, क्योंकि निफ्टी भी अभी लग रहा है कि भागेगा 16,300, तो निफ्टी बैंक ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक दिस मच पॉइंट्स तो भागने वाला है, 1,000-3,000 पॉइंट्स भागने वाला है, नहीं तो यहाँ से वो ट्रंकेट हो सकती है। It cannot be it cannot be tell that exactly it will be going towards 30,000 की something, और यहाँ से वो ट्रंकेट भी मार सकती है, बट मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि निफ्टी बैंक का जो इलिएटिव काउंट है, अभी ये 1 2, अभी ये यदि मान लो कि यदि सपोर्ट नहीं लेती है, 36,000 34,641 सपोर्ट नहीं लेती है, तो ये क्या होगा, ये सेकंड मूव बनेगी, ये जो है ना, ये सेकंड मूव बनेगी। सो इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है कि मतलब ऐसे ही फॉर्म होगी। सो यहाँ पर जो फॉर्म हो रही है, ये जो रेंज है, यहाँ से आपका थोड़ा यहाँ पर साइडवेज मोमेंटम देगी, और वी कैन सी दैट हियर टू हियर सम अराउंड 23.6% रिट्रेसमेंट हो सकती है। ओके, हियर टू हियर, सो 36,578, फिर यहाँ से 38.2%, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ ये जो है 23.6%, और अदरवाइज 38,535 फिर से हम लोग को यहाँ से मिलेगी। दिस रेजिस्टेंस विल बी द वन ऑफ द सपोर्ट, this resistance will be the one of the support, from where again it will bounce back and it will go travel towards the fifth move. So right, as of now, keep a watch on 34,640 odd level, where it can again fall, otherwise it will, if it is falling, nifty bank is fully weak, and we have to, otherwise it will be a sideways momentum over here, it will be a sideways momentum fully. Okay, here it will be always, it will be a sideways momentum, or like this it will form, but this is the range, until unless it is not break, it is not bullish, and if it is breaking this one, this is, there will be bearish sign, because it is breaking the major trend line, this channel line support, right? So this is my view, so keep on the eye on this range, whatever I have told, you will be mostly benefited from this resistance and support. So, and this resistance and support is aligned with this one actually Elliott wave theories, and it is not like something Fibonacci retracement or something. And what I am telling is that keep an eye on my comments. If something is going to be wrong in my view, I will update on the comments. And Nifty is bullish this week, and bullish to sideways to positive, right? Thank you.